The much publicized Gaza-led 31 March demonstrations against President Mnangagwa failed to garner traction beyond the sporadic demonstrations by scores of citizens restricted to downtown Harare. Sanapina mashoko aiwa anoonekwa kuti panapa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa all is not well ari pama1 just because he's being attacked from all the corners, from all the dimensions. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tipinda mshinzi, is the president still okay? At best, it became a stay away in major cities. The citizens opted to play itself by avoiding town. Just a day after they stay away, Yeza called off the protest and insisted reviewed a new plan, that of moving a motion to impeach Mnangagwa. Yeza also made sensational claims that President Mnangagwa's mental capacities are compromised and that he is suffering from vascular dementia. He further hinted that those around the president are aware of the predicament and have been exploiting it and pushing him to sign corrupt deals to their benefit. Though Geza's claims are yet to be substantiated, there have been rumors, incidences, which raises serious concerns about the president's state of connectedness to his surroundings. In fact, his public conduct on numerous occasions has been off-kilter. For instance, while addressing journalists at the State House in February this year, he seemed unaware that the national football team has been playing home matches in South Africa because the country does not have internationally approved football facilities. Domashkwari kuno kwakunzi aiwa panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika aiwa inyaswanikwa kuti his state panguva ino inyaswanikwa kuti his leadership pamwe nepresidency wake aiwa huri pacrossroads chete nevascular dementia iri kuonekwa kunzi yava nelong time ichiutiliziwa nevanhu vari in mnangagwaZim zvinori padhuze naye. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi kumene section yedu. Don't subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.